Hey guys, welcome back. This video we're going to be talking about aqueous solutions, and basically a solution is just a mixture, alright? And specifically aqueous solutions is when water is the major component, and the major component is called the solvent. Okay, so in this case the water is the solvent, and the particles that are in the water are the solute. Okay, so the water, the solvent, is dissolving the particles, the solutes. Okay, now water has a special ability to when a particle breaks off, say like salt, you put salt in water, the salt dissolves, and that process is called dissociation, or ionizing, or else you could also call it solvating it. Okay, and it all means the same thing pretty much. Water has a special ability of pulling ionic compounds apart, because this is the composition of water. It is 2 H's and 1 oxygen. And now you will later learn that oxygen pulls electrons. Okay? It pulls electrons. And because it pulls electrons much more than the hydrogens, then it is more negative. Okay? Because electrons are negative. So this side of the molecule is more negative. And this symbol here is delta. And sometimes the book says that you can read it as slightly negative, and then slightly positive at this end. So when you have your ionic molecule, let's call this the plus end and this the negative end. The water molecule comes and say it comes around and turns around, and with the negative end of it, with the positive end attracted to the negative, pulls it away. And now, you must realize that this bond would be much stronger than this attraction, right? This positive to negative attraction will be stronger than this positive, this slightly positive, right? And this negative attraction, which makes sense. But matter of fact is, there's a lot of water. So there's probably going to be like 2 waters, or 3 pulling this apart, okay, and probably 3 on this side pulling this apart with the negative end attached to it. So if we drew that, it would look something like pulling this away, okay, with the oxygen attached to it, because this is slightly negative, okay, and on this end you would have it like this. Okay, with a slightly positive end. Alright, and yeah, that's it for this video.